Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we'll talk about KUKU TV and how to use it. Let's get started. KUKU TV, made by Mabigo Labs, delivers fast mini-series and vertical screen originals, each episode lasting just a minute or two. It's great for quick binge sessions without long-form distractions. Now let's move to how to use it. First, to do that, you have to go to your app store and install your app if you haven't. So go to the app store, tap on your search bar, and then search for KUKU TV and install your app. And after installing it, open it up. Once you're in, the app displays vertical reels on your feed. You can swipe up to jump into episodes. Check out categories like drama, romance, comedy. There is also a download tab for offline viewing. You can tap any episode to play. Controls are simple: pause, resume, next. Some shows let you make choices to alter the story, adding fun interactivity. KUKU TV is free to use, but you can go premium for ad-free viewing and early access shows. Plans range from weekly to annual. Just tap subscribe from the profile screen. So that is all about KUKU TV and how to use it for bit-sized entertainment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if you did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.